If you've ever received a new debit card or had to replace your old one, it's crucial to update it inside Cash App so you can keep sending, spending, and cashing out without interruptions. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step how to change your debit card on Cash App. It's easier than you think, and you'll be done in just a couple of minutes. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're signed in. From the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you see Linked Banks. This is where all your connected debit cards, credit cards, and bank accounts are stored. Find the debit card you want to replace and tap on it. At the bottom of the card details, you'll see the option to replace card. Tap that, and Cash App will prompt you to enter your new debit card information. Type in your new card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing ZIP code. Double check everything to make sure there are no typos. Once you're done, hit Link Card at the bottom. Cash App will process your request, and within seconds, your new debit card should appear at the top of your linked accounts. If you ever run into issues replacing the card directly, you can remove the old card first and then add the new one as a fresh link. This usually solves any errors. And that's it. Your new debit card is now connected and ready to use for sending money, adding funds, or cashing out instantly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Cash App tips. I've also added useful links and resources in the description, so check those out before you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.